Hey, this is Dan at Ternary. Today we're going to show you how you can use Ternary's Ramp Plans as a means to model, update, and track performance of your hyperscaler commitments, often associated with things like enterprise discount programs. So in today's scenario, we're looking to understand the impact of a major product release on our commitments, which we're currently running short on. So we have a $16 million year one commitment. We're about $856,000 short. Year two, we have a $17 million commitment, which we're running about $290,000 short. So will this plan or this change be impactful? Let me go in and edit the model. I'm going to go down to the breakpoints area where I could model different change. I'm going to make this a percentage growth change. I'm going to put in a date for when this product release is going to happen, and then assume across these key categories of spend a 15% increase as we've determined when we've discussed this internally. So that 15% increase, now we could see in the graph below how that immediately impacts our commitment performance. So now we're tracking 20,000 over our $16 million commitment or obligation, which is great. And in year two, we're now tracking $2.2 million over. So great. So now we could see that we've modeled this new spend. We understand that it's going to help us get over the hump for our obligation. And just very quickly, you can see how Ramp Plans helps you assess the impact of these types of business events on your obligations with your hyperscalers. Thank you very much.